Hi, I'm Beth, a professional dancer with Ballet Cymru, and today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my pointe shoes and also some foot strengthening exercises you can do at home to help prepare for your pointe work. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my shoes. So this is how the shoe comes out of the packet. First things first, you need to sew ribbons on. So I sew 2 ribbons following the line of the seam and 1 elastic across the back in order to keep my shoe on at the back. Another tip for any dancer is to singe the end of your pointe shoes. So what you'll need is a lighter, and all you do is lightly singe the end of the ribbon. That basically allows it not to fray, so it's going to be a lot easier and it's going to last a lot longer on your shoe. So from here, as you can see, I've started to colour this in already. You'll need to have some foundation, a sponge and a little bit of water so it's not too dry. This basically allows the shoe to be the same colour as your skin. So we wear skin coloured pointe shoes on stage. It just allows for a better line and it looks nicer on stage in my opinion. So we do that. So next thing I'm going to show you is how I go from this shoe, which is very hard, to this shoe, which is extremely soft. Okay, so the first thing you do is I kind of crush the box with my hands. So you kind of warm it up in your hands, press down. This is going to make the box a little bit bigger, so your toes are not going to be as squished and compressed. So do a little bit of that. Next thing I do is I sit on the shoe, because again, that kind of compresses it down. So I'm just going to sit on the shoe. As you can see now, you might be able to see the difference. It's a lot wider, a lot flatter here, so it's a lot comfier to wear. If you put them on without doing this, it's a lot more uncomfortable than it needs to be. And to be honest, that's pretty much all I do. Some dancers will cut a line here or start to bend the shoe like that, but I don't find that I need to do that. And after I've probably worn them once in a class, they're pretty much ready to be on stage. So I'm very low maintenance with my pointe shoes, and that's pretty much all I do. Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through a metatarsal exercise. So your metatarsals are the bones in your feet, and your metacarpals are the muscles in your feet that surround the metatarsals. It's a bit of a mouthful, but basically these bones and these muscles are really important for your pointe work. If you have nice strong metatarsals, it means you can go through your shoes. It means that you're less likely to get injured in your pointe shoes as well. So it's really simple. You keep your foot flat on the floor. What you want to do is curl your toes up and imagine a gap appearing underneath your foot and screw those metatarsals up. I don't know if you can see that, but that's kind of what we want to do. And basically you're doing this motion with your foot. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time to find that. I know when I first started doing these, I couldn't get that motion of lifting the toes off the floor. But you want to keep the lower end of your toes on the floor and just lift up the knuckle part of your foot. So you just want to do that, and you want to see as many like white bones as possible, and then you relax. And that's it. So you just have to sit there, and after a while you can feel your muscles working. I can already feel my feet starting to warm up. So next time you're watching television, just sit on the floor and do 20 on each foot, and yeah, your feet will get a lot stronger. Okay, so that's the end of my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you're keeping safe and keeping positive. Bye!